I wonder if the Wonder Worker really is down for the count this time.
Whatever do you mean?
This is the second time I have seen this woman in a coffin in this church.
Please do tell more.
Well, as I said, this is the second time I have seen this woman in a coffin in this church. 50 years ago, she fell a great fall, having been seized by something sinister. Placed in her final bed, prayers were said. Just as they were closing up her life, she arose all the way to the rafters. And by God, did she have a tale to tell.
Brothers and sisters in Christ, I just fell to hell, and angels carried me to purgatory, and then, none too soon, gifted me an ascent to heaven. There, I was offered a choice. I could stay in heaven, or I could return to earth and spend the rest of my life subjecting myself to mortifications to mirror some of the horrors I saw in purgatory. I suppose the idea is to do penance for the souls in purgatory, all the while serving as a constant reminder to you. Yes, a constant reminder that there are otherworldly terrors that await you if you don't start living right. I know, kind of a downer, so to speak, but the bright side is, as you can see, I chose to return, to help them, to help you.
Did they offer her praise?
Not quite.
Witch!
They put her in jail because they thought she was a witch. When she was freed, she floated far away. She lived in the forest high in a tree. Over time, she became known for her levitation.
You know, I think I heard something about that once.
That is how it started. The peculiarities do not end there. When she would pray, she would hang upside down, or roll, or spin. When in her tree, she nodded knowingly at the language of the birds. When not in her tree, she dwelt with the dead in their tombs. For sustenance, she drank her own breast milk early eating. Yes, Christina was unscathed by fire and ice. Yes, Christina was, in a word, astonishing.
But why?
These miracles are signs of God's power, not mine. He is not defying nature. The creation cannot limit the Creator. There is nothing for Him to defy. To you, things seem impossible, but God reveals Himself.
Did all of this really bring people closer to God? How? As a bride of Christ, was she not worried that all the astonishing strangeness would drive people away?
If they're running from me, they have to go somewhere. Why not up